Nice. This way.
It's so hard to keep any tension.
Yeah, I'll help you in a second. Sorry, ma'am. And yes, recording hands.
I've already done it once.
No, keep going. It's fine. No worries about the size right now.
So Africa's this way, right? Yes.
Yeah, perfect.
Are you sure it needs more? Do you have any special Africa places? Sasha's marked his Sierra Leone. No one.
Yeah, keep going. Don't mind me.
Just want to stick it to the table because I used up the scrap piece that was also somebody had to.
Yeah.
You can't hardly see it.
Would you like to turn it here this way?
This one is.
It's not.
I can't really see it.
Yeah, hold it up, please.
No, but
Wow.
the backpack is empty. I mean, like when I was going to school, like I had full, like all books.
They don't have that anymore.
They've got the computers.
Yeah, exactly. So I just wanted to see,
Actually, let's do
because I like these bright colors.
let's give it a different
I've got a bag that is
zigzag.
got this orange like this.
And those make them as thick as you wish. You don't need to use the whole piece.
Oh,
Yeah, you
okay.
can make different sizes, so you'll have a different
Okay.
layout here.
I love this colour.
Yeah, that fabric is very beautiful. Sorry. Oh, your water. Sorry. I just. I don't. Got it. Sorry, Janet.
Let's stick that on.
Thank you.